If you're interested in learning how to do telekinesis, otherwise known as psychokinesis from a distance, then these two books that I've written, Defy Your Limits and Meditation X, are probably the two best books on the market today to help you learn how to do it. And what's special about both of these books is that they're not just plain text, but inside the books there are links to the book's websites where you'll have access to special videos that I created to take you step by step at every stage of learning how to do telekinesis for yourself, the same way that I learned how to do it. So you're not only going to have to guess at it by reading about it, but you'll see me doing it at every level, so that at each stage you can spend as much time as you need to before moving on to the next stage, thus ensuring your success. Defy Your Limits is the first book that I wrote about it, so it goes really in depth to level 4, meaning you're sitting across the object at a table, and so you're beyond arm's reach and you're still moving it by using your intention and attention. Meditation X goes further, it has some advanced techniques or advanced practices, for example, moving multiple objects inside the same container, moving multiple objects in separate containers, so you're spreading out your attention and moving things at a wider angle. And there are other exercises too. And Meditation X also talks about telekinesis with regard to meditation or spiritual development. What this really does for you, it's not just about moving a little object, but it's about tuning in to the phenomenal world with your own consciousness and forming a relationship there. So this goes a lot deeper than just on a cute little psychic ability. There's a deeper message to it. So I hope you'll consider one or both of these books for learning how to do it. If you're a researcher, these books may be valuable too, but then I would also recommend that you get my main book, Renegade Mystic, because that talks about telekinesis in context of all the other abilities that I've learned in other people, and also the deeper meaning of it all. What does this have to do with our consciousness, with reality, and so on? Thank you.